My oldest friend. 1. Kenny talking to Judy.
Kenny, I see you have more than 300 friends on Facebook.
Amazing, isn't it? I don't know how it happened. I think it's because my job takes me all over the world and I make friends wherever I go.
I travel too, but I don't have that many friends.
Come on, Judy. I'm your friend. That's one friend at least.
But what about close friends? How many of the 300 are close?
I have no idea.
No idea. More than 10? More than 20?
Probably no more than 10 really close friends.
So, who's your oldest friend?
That's easy. Pete's my oldest friend. Since we were both 16 and he came to my school. He lives in Canada now, but he was best man at my wedding and I was best man at his.
How often do you see him?
Not often. Maybe once or twice a year. I went over to Canada last year when his son was born. Do you know, he named him Ken after me.
Hey, that's lovely. You and Pete are really good friends, aren't you?
Yeah.
Why do you think that is?
It's our love of football.
Don't tell me. He supports Liverpool too.
Of course. Best team in the world. No, seriously, the best thing about Pete is that maybe we don't see each other for months, even years. But when we get together, immediately we're talking...
About football.
No, about all kinds of things. Our families mainly. He's a great guy.
2. Damien talking to Toby.
Am I your best friend?
No, silly. You're my brother.
I'm not silly. Can't I be your best friend?
No, you can't. No one's best friends with his brother.
But I don't have many friends.
That's your problem. Look, I'm going to meet Thomas and the gang now.
Is Thomas your best friend?
No.
Is he your oldest friend?
No. Zach's my oldest friend. You know that, since we sat next to each other in Class 1. Zach and me are going to travel the world together when we finish school.
Can I come?
No, you can't. Just shut...
Well, can Thomas be my friend?
Toby, be quiet about friends. Oh, you're so boring. I'm not surprised you have no friends.
But can I...
No. I'm off. See ya.
But...
3. Katie talking to Beth.
Katie, you're lucky. You have so many friends.
I suppose so. I do have quite a lot.
Why do you think that is?
Well, I'm not sure. I think I kind of collect friends. I have friends from all different times in my life. You know, school, university, and now at work. And I keep my friends.
So, who's your oldest friend?
You are, of course. You and me, Beth. We're the same age, 24. And you could say we met before we were born.
I suppose you're right.
Yeah, our mums met when they were...
I know, they met at the hospital when they went for checkups before we were born.
Yeah, and we were born on the same day.
I know, but I'm 10 hours older than you.
That's why you're wiser than me. You're my oldest and my best friend. You're like a sister to me.
Aww.